Out of scope is a mechanism we can use to remove replacement costs out of the annual totals. Reasons for this could be the assets aren't your responsibility or they may be maintained from an alternative budget. The out-of-scope function has been designed to work with single or multiple assets. To begin with, we'll widen the type column so we can see the full description. We'll select one asset and then move it to out of scope. We're going to move the replacement cost value for this asset to out of scope. Click on the out of scope icon. At this stage, the application can move either a single asset or all of the assets to out of scope. The next sequence shows how to make your selection. Clicking on Yes will move every assets to out of scope. Clicking on Cancel will abort the action and nothing will be moved to out of scope. Clicking on No will move only the selected asset to out of scope. As this is our intention, click on No. Two color flags have been created. One green to show an amendment to the life expectancy has been applied. Two red because the amended life expectancy has been set far beyond the risk alert. Note, in this context the risk alert should be ignored. The value has been moved from 2021, its original replacement year, to out of scope. We'll reset this asset and then move on to the multiple assets out of scope process. We're going to use filtering to select a block of cold room assets. This icon will apply a filter in which you make the choice. Here are the cold room assets which we are moving to out of scope. Click on the out of scope icon. Note, because we are in the filtered state, the application will automatically default to moving all of the visible assets without needing confirmation from you. All of the replacement costs have now been moved away from the annual schedules and into out of scope. To reverse this, simply select the block of assets and click on the reset icon. All replacement costs have been reinstated into their original annual replacement cycle in line with the SIB standard.